we're going to do, we're going to cut up one more onion in the pot. One more red onion. Look at that. It's going to wait for everything to just go and boil out. We want the pumpkin to boil out. And then we start to add some solubles in the pot. Like some potatoes, some more sweet potatoes. You understand? A good vibe. So it's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Now with this, we wash the carrot thoroughly, so we're able to just put the carrot in the skin. Because enough people say we ain't got just certain things, you know, the root vegetable, then most of them can just wash in the skin, you know, and just dash in the pot. So yeah man, all the yam can cook in the skin instead we're doing it. Yeah, so good vibes. Good vibes.
Hey, big up bingo.
Yeah man, big up.
Hey, oh, you're here as well.
Yeah.
Oh, see you.
See you later, yeah?
See you later.
Yes.
Oh, yes, buddy.
This way.
Good vibes.
Big up the little kids there, you get me?
They're the future, the youth is the future.
Yeah man,
they're the next generation. You know what I mean? They matter the most.
See, because it's vegetables we're cooking, everybody, yeah? You can start, yeah man. Calm.
Share the live, #FYP people, let's go.
Some green banana in the skin, them kind of thing, yeah, understand?
We have some green banana there as well.
We want some of them to mash up the chicken. Yeah.
I peel off some corn. Break them up piece smaller this time though.
Can smell him already? Good vibes.
They ask the relevant questions.
It's not even that important, bro.
If you ask a stupid question, get
Got the Charlie from your back garden.
You got it from your garden?
No. With my hook.
Oh shit.
It's quick, you took it out of your garden. Transferable skills.
Alright, so we just have to put enough scallion in the pot,
Enough scallion.
enough scallion in the pot. We'll put some green peas to this, so we'll make some peas go and boil too.
Chef Ricardo and
We're going carnival. No, we're going to a show up here.
we're at Carnival, tell them we're at Carnival.
No, we're at carnival. Yeah.
Why? Big up everyone's Keep tapping that screen thing
in a moment, you know.
Yeah,
man.
Let everything
Hey,
flow
you
like
got the
river.
soul of the world.
Don't know anything.
Everyone share the live.
Yeah.
Hashtag FYP.
It's a very proper look.
Yeah, man.
And then the look we have to about. Yeah, man. Soup look nice. Coming out of River Vision, I don't know the thing there.
Yeah, a good vibe, Chef Ricardo.
I don't know.
So today we're out, we're cooking some vegetable soup for the community and the homeless.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we're on a marathon right now.
That's it.
So because we're going all the way up until Christmas, everybody. On this, yeah.
Let's go. You should add chili, salt and pepper. I had the Ringo Vision special. Exactly that seasoning.
Yeah, only Ringo seasoning can go in there.
That's it, people. Everyone tap on that live. Hashtag FYP. Let me see. Everyone hashtag FYP. Let's go. Tap that screen. Ones up, big up yourself. I hope I'm saying your name properly. Yeah, share the live. But get that one. Just that one. In Croydon today, we feed the homeless like me and Ringo in America continues. We're going to take the queue to the winter. So yeah, man, good vibes. See you. Big up yourself.
Wow, go on, my boss. Everything good, man. Good vibes. Yeah, man.
Chef Ricardo. Blessings, big man. How are you? Alright, yeah? Respect, yeah?
Yes, respect.
Hashtag FYP. So, man, get the pepper.
Yeah, and at time. Yeah.
Share that live. Let's go.
So this is where we're at right now, everybody. So we've got, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut up one more onion in the pot, one more red onion. Look at that. It's gonna wait for everything to just go and boil out, we want the pumpkin to boil out, and then we start to add some solubles in the pot, like some potatoes, some more sweet potatoes. You understand? A good vibe. So.
Whoa, 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 whoa.